100 subscribers. That's slightly more people than would fit in this car. So what do you get for clicking subscribe and watching me drive aimlessly around scenic roads? Well, today you get answers. Today you finally get to see the star of this channel, my Scirocco. But first, let's take a ride.
Yeah, boy.
It'd be rude not to make you wait, right?
Hey guys, Rocket John here. Welcome yet again to a brand new video. And today, guys, I guess you can see the video is a little bit different because today is a special video. You finally get to see my car. It's unbelievable how I've been able to reach 100 subscribers, 100 of you guys. Like, you couldn't even fit inside this car. I mean, if you were more than 5, you couldn't fit inside this car, but I'm extremely grateful for you guys. As a thank you, you guys have been asking for it a lot in my previous videos, in the comments. Thank you for commenting, by the way. As a thank you, I'm going to finally show you the outside and inside of my car without me driving it. We're gonna go over a few stats like you guys asked me. It should be a fun one. First though, I keep you guys waiting a little bit more. You can fast forward if you want to, but I want to say thank you for 100 subscribers. Like I said, new scenario. I reached 100 of you guys, and you know, I splurged a little bit and invested in a little bit of equipment here, so you guys can see now my exact POV, which is pretty exciting, and I think it'll make the videos a lot more interesting because before I just you know, mounted my phone on my passenger seat, and now you can see the real POV. You can see me shifting. I'm not gonna do something crazy. I'm not gonna do something crazy because the car is still warming up. Yeah, you guys can see me shifting, downshift, and then you can see me shift again. My vision is partly blind, so you know, it adds to the element of the risk here. So let me know what you guys think of the new setup. Once again, thank you guys. This just goes to show you, the more of you guys that I have subscribed, the more of you guys like, the more I'm going to invest into these videos, because the more of you guys there will be, and the better quality will I need to output. So please, if you see the potential here, if you like the videos and you want to see them better, please subscribe and leave a like, and you know, leave a comment on what we can do on this channel, because let me tell you guys, stay tuned for next video. Please subscribe because we're about to do another first mods in the Scirocco in the YouTube channel. We're just here browsing for a place for me to show you guys the car. Let me just give you guys a little bit of a backstory. If you guys are first tuning into this channel, hi, my name is Rocket John. I make car videos. Got my dream first car last year, a Volkswagen Scirocco. Had it for a year, completely stock. I did a stage 1 tune to it, removed the DPF, and then I just started making YouTube videos. I just placed the phone here on my passenger seat and recorded myself driving and doing crazy things. And now I've reached a point where I can, you know, I have enough of you guys watching so that I can do a few mods. So the goal of this channel is just all about cars. Now it's for the Scirocco. I'm gonna, you know, mod it out with the help of you guys, and then I'm gonna do these some sick drives, have some fun with the car. This is all about having fun with cars. You know, then maybe eventually I'll buy more cars. You know, I have a second car. I know you guys have been waiting for a long time, so let's find a parking spot, a nice place for me to give you the tour of the car. Oh, by the way, it's 2013 Volkswagen Scirocco, white, 2-liter diesel engine, manual transmission. Oops. Manual transmission, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, completely stock, just a stage 1 tune. Stock 140 horsepower, but produces now 180, maybe 190 horsepower with a stage 1 tune to it. Let's just turn here. So like I was saying, 180 to 190 horsepower with the stage 1 tune to it. So now it's pretty fast, but I intend to make it faster. So stay tuned for that. I love this road, man. I've had a lot of good times on this road specifically. The car is still warming up, so I'm not gonna go too hard. But yeah.
A few moments later. A few minutes later.
Hitting the apex. So, finally, I found a place to park. It took a long time. A lot of people kept showing up, but finally I have a place to show you guys the car. So yeah, are you guys ready to see the car? Let's go. Let's step out and show you guys. When I turn, you guys finally are able to see my car. Are you ready? Wait, I think I can do better than this. So, yeah, guys, this is my Volkswagen Scirocco, 2013 Volkswagen Scirocco. Has Shannon headlights. It's a diesel TDI, 18-inch wheels. It's an R line. It has all the R line, so it's pretty much stock version, but it has all of the R line details here in the door. Yeah, here on the outside of the car, inside. So yeah, it's pretty much the aesthetic of it. The wheels, I'm thinking it's all stock from Volkswagen. Still has the letters here at the back, Scirocco 2-liter TDI, which I want to remove. Silver badges, I want to turn them into black. It has a stock exhaust as well, parking sensors. These lights are pretty the standard ones, diesel. My tires are from Pirelli, which I should have traded them a while back because they're a little bit worn out, but that way you can have more adventures. The inside, you guys have seen it. I'm sorry for the mess, I've been recording here. So it has a silver inside, no Bluetooth, infotainment system, manual transmission, good old-fashioned handbrake, which is good for drifting. Unfortunately, this is a four-wheel drive, so that is not good for drifting. AC, yeah, and then 4 seats in the back. As you guys can see, these seats in the back are amazing. And FYI, this car is a lot spacious. You can have meals back here and, do whatever you want to do. Wink, wink. Seats go back. Not a lot of room to store. A little bit of space here at the doors. Very small glove compartment. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Up the hood, and you guys can see the engine. So let me know what you guys think of it. I love it. Every time I look at it, it makes me smile. It's an amazing car. It has a lot of, I've been, for the car that it is, this is pretty much a sporty Golf. But it has a lot of, it gets a lot of looks still. Yeah, let me see if I can open this shit up. So as you can see, TDI engine, yeah. I'm also thinking of getting an air intake, but as you can see, it's pretty much all stock. The only difference, the only thing that I changed is underneath the car, I took the DPF and I tuned the engine ECU, so now it's faster and produces more horsepower. Let me know what you think of it. Hopefully, you guys like it. Let me know what you guys think we should do to it. I have a lot of ideas, like I mentioned, wheels, splitters and skirts, air intake, exhaust, and then some mirror caps, side skirts, black symbols, remove the letters in the back. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Very reliable. I don't have a lot of stats of it. Very reliable, very fun to drive. Very economical. I got 5 liters per 100 kilometers. Especially now with the tune, I was able to drop down to 4 point something, which is amazing. So very economical, and if you want to go fast, very fun. So I really recommend this car as the first car because it's very easy to drive, it's economical, it's cheap. I mean, the car itself, especially where I live, is a little bit expensive, but yeah, it's pretty much a sporty Golf. And yeah, guys, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I want you guys to follow along. Let me close up to the outro. Whoop. Are you ready for this satisfying sound? Oh yeah. So yeah, guys, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, please. If you see the potential, if you like this type of car, please subscribe. We're gonna have so much fun with this, and especially like the more of you guys that subscribe, the more I can do to it, the more I'm going to invest in this channel. So please subscribe, drop a like, and drop a comment and think what kind of modification we are going to do to it in the next video. I'll give you a hint. It's on the inside and it's a little bit aesthetical. So the car is going to look so much nicer from the inside. Thank you very much for everything, for the 100 subscribers. I'm very happy with the journey that I'm taking with this YouTube channel, and hopefully I can do this for a very long time, have a lot of cars, and have a lot of fun with you guys. So thank you, and peace out. Rocket John out.